Hello and welcome to CEP. Today we will design Moore and Mealy Machine for the set of string ending with 00 or 11. So we are having bits like 0 and 1, that is nothing but the binary number system. So here we are having binary numbers 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1, that is number from 1 to 5. So we'll take first number, that is 0. Now we will compare with the targeted string. Your string should either end with a 00 or should end with 11. Here ending with 00, that means it should have the 20, but here we are having 50, only 10, that is a 50% accepted string. So we can say that is indicated by Q1 string. Now here we are having 1, that means your string is now ending with 1. So this is again 50% accepted, but having the different conditions. So we can say this is Q2. Now here we are having 00, that is 100% required string. So for example, this is Q3. This is 01, that is ending with single 1. So that is indicated by Q2. This is 10, that is ending with single 0, that is indicated by Q1. Here we are having double 1. So this is 100% accepted, and for example it is indicated by Q4. Now this is 00, so again this is Q3 and this is ending with 1, so that is indicated by Q2. Now we will take the initial state, for example Q0 as the initial state. Now what is initial state? That is a ready position, nothing in the hand. So the next bit can be either 0, can be 1, because of the binary number system, and the previous string was nothing, so it is making a single 0. Single 0 is indicated by Q1 and single 1 is indicated by Q2 because the string is ending with single 1. Now we will take the next resultant state, that is Q1. Q1 means single 0. Your string has ended with single 0. So the previous string is 0 and the next bit can be either 0, can be 1. It is making double 0. Double 0 is indicated by Q3. So the resultant state is Q3, and 0 1. 0 1 is indicated by Q2. That is, your string is ending with 1. Now the next resultant state that we have to take is Q2. Q2 indicate what? Is that your string is ended with 1. So your previous bit was 1 and the next bit can be either 0, it can be 1. It's making the number 10. 10 is having the resultant state as Q1 and 11 is having the resultant state as Q4 because your string has ended with double occurrence of 1. Now the next resultant state that we have to consider is Q3. What is Q3? Q3 means string was ended with 00. So the previous was ended with 00. The next bit can be 0, it can be 1. So now your string is again now ending with 00, that is indicated by Q3. Now the string is ending with single 1, that is indicated by Q2. Now we are having next resulting state as Q4. Q4 is your string has ended with double 1. Okay, now the string was previously ended with double 1. Now it is having one more bit as 0. So it is now the string is ending with single 0, that is indicated by Q1, and it is now ending with double 1, that is indicated by Q4. Now the time to draw the state transition diagram and table. So for Moore machine, your table will be, we are having 0 and 1 and we will start with 0 1, plus in Moore machine we have to add one more column, that is for the output. Now we start with Q0. Now Q0, what was the output? Q0, here the string, the Q0 is the state which is not having any input, not having any output. So the Q0 is not generating any output, we will write dash here. Now Q0 on 0, where it is going? On 0 it is going to Q1, on 1 it is going to Q2. So it is going to Q1 and Q2. Now we'll take the resultant state as Q1. What was the output of Q1? Whether it is according to our requirements, so the output will be no. This is not, it is 50% accepted, that means your output will be no. So what we are going to do, it will write no here as the output. So Q1 on 0 it is going to Q3 and on 1 it is going to Q2. Now we'll take Q2. What is Q2? What is the output? Q2 is 50% accepted, but it is all according to the requirements, so the output will be no. Now Q2 on 0, it is going to Q1, and on 1, it is going to Q4. The next resultant state that we are going to consider is Q3. What is the output of Q3? It is according to the requirement, so the output will be yes. So we'll write output as yes for Q3. Q3 on 0, it is going to Q3, and on 1, it is going to Q2. Now the next state that we have to consider is Q4. What is the output of Q4? It is ending with double one, so the output will be yes. And on 0, where it is going? On 0, it is going to Q1, and on 1, it is going to Q4. Now the time to draw the state transition diagram for Moore machine. We start with the initial states, that is Q0. On 0, it is going to Q1, and on 1, it is going to Q2. Now, as this is a Moore machine, the output will be present inside the state. Now, what is the output of Q0 is nothing. What is the output of Q1 is no. What is the output of Q2 is no. Now, Q1 on 0, it is going to Q3. What is the output of Q3 is yes. And on 1, it is going to Q2. Now, Q2 on 0, it is going to Q1, and on 1, it is going to Q4. And what is the output of Q4 was yes. Now Q3 on 0, it is going to itself, and on 1, it is going to Q2. Q4 on 0, it is going to Q1, and on 1, it is going to itself. So this is the Moore machine. Now how to draw the Mealy machine? The idea is very simple. We have to only divide the table into two partitions. This is the first portion that we have to copy. Same. So here we are having table for diagram and table for Mealy machine for 0 and 1. One table for writing the resultant state and one table for writing the output. So Q0 on 0 is going to Q1 and Q2. And what are the output of Q1 and Q2 were no. Now Q1 on 0 is going to Q3, and on 1 is going to Q2. What is the output of Q3 was yes, so we have to write here. And what is the output of Q2 is no, we have to write here. Now we are having Q2 on 0, it is going to Q1, and on 1 it is going to Q4. Here the output of Q4 was yes, so we have to write here, and Q1 the output was no. Then Q3 on 0, it is going to Q3, and on 1 it is going to Q2. So Q3 output is yes, and Q2 output was no. Now Q4 with 0, it is going to Q1, and on 1 it is going to Q4. So Q4 output of Q1 is no, and output of Q4 was yes. Now the time to draw the state transition diagram. On 0 with the output no, it is going to Q1. Okay. Now Q0 on 1, it is going to Q2. That is the output of Q2. We have to write here. Q1 on 0 is going to Q3 with the output yes, and on 1 it is going to Q2 with the output no. Q2 on 0 it is going to Q1 with the output no, and on 1 it is going to Q4 with the output no. Now Q3 on 0 is going to itself with the output yes, and on 1 it is going to Q2 with the output no. Q4 on 0 it is going to Q1 with the output no, and on 1 it is going to itself with the output yes. So this is how we design Moore and Mealy machine for the set of string ending with either 0, double 0 or double 1. If you're having any idea, if you're having any doubt, you can comment me. Do like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel.